What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today we will take a look at the stock market, the election, and also the question if we will see a year's end rally. Right now there is no clear winner in the election as I'm making this video, and it looks like that this could take some time till we have a winner, because Donald has declared that there was or there is electoral fraud. First, before we start this topic, I have to say that I'm not political, so I won't tell you Donald or Biden is the best because of that and that. But I have to say that it looks like that there is evidence that Donald is right, that there is electoral fraud. But I also don't want to go too deep into this topic, just wanted to say that it looks like there is evidence for this and that it could take some time till we have a winner here. So let's go to our main topic here. What will the stock market do, and will there be a year's end rally? As you may already saw, the stock market rallied quite strong since the election night, even if there is no real outcome here. I also know that not only the stock market is rallying right now, also Bitcoin and cryptos see good gains, and I will cover the crypto market in my next video. But now back to the stock market and back to the next question: was this to be expected? And my answer to this is yes and no. Yes, because I expect another rally in the market, as you may know from my last videos. I will also show you that in a moment. And because I expected this, I also took action and not just watch the markets. I'm already in the markets right now. I also have a screenshot right here with the profits. As you can see here, I got a couple of orders open. The first one, for example, is 654 points. The other is 811, 978, 912, 653, 124, and 108, and 210 points. Last two orders is in the S&P 500, and all the other ones are in the Nasdaq 100. Of course, I shared all the entries in real time on my Patreon. So if you want to see these updates in the future, then check out my Patreon. It is the first link in the video description. And as I mentioned, I expected this rally. Let me quickly show you why. What you are seeing right now is our self-developed indicator, and this is showing us how much supply is in the market. If there is a shortage in supply, this most likely is followed by a correction in the price. And if there is a huge amount of supply in the market, then this most likely is followed by a price increase. And as you can see in this chart, right now there is a lot of supply in the market right now, which is a very positive sign. Don't get me wrong here, not because the supply chart is high or low doesn't mean that it has to follow immediate price action. There are a couple of other factors that I add to this, but that the supply chart is this high right now, you can see it is even higher right now than back in March. And right now we are here, and this is a very positive sign for me, and this is the reason why I expect another rally in the markets. But I said before that I expect this, yes and no. You now know my reasons for the yes, but there was also a no, and I expected this rally if we would have a clear election result that right now we don't have. So this came a little surprising right now that we are already started a big upward move. I'm not surprised that we are going up, but I'm a little surprised that we are going up this fast and this much. I was just expecting this when we would have a clear winner, but right now the stock market don't seem to care about this. If you have a theory to this, then write it down in the comments. I think this would be very interesting for all of us. And there is one more question that is kind of open. That is the question about the year's end rally. If you can count 1 and 1 together, then you know that I expect a year's end rally, and I think there is definitely some money to be made on that. If you want some inspiration and don't want to miss my live updates, what I will do in this year's end rally, then as I said, the first link in the video description is my Patreon. Check that out, it is worth it. As always, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscribe to this channel, because I put out a valuable video every week, and this way you won't miss it. That's it for this video. See you in the next one, and as always, have a nice day.